I'm going in for it again. I'm doing it for it.
Bro, holy fuck, I'm full drain because I don't have my right top arsenal.
No privilege, but I had the option to never be stuck up on the block then. More money, more problems. We don't get along like Arsenal, Tottenham. Everybody wanna hate now, but fuck them. Gal from not London, so they made it. Big Russian must come in function. Don't make a rich man, have a bucket and aim it, chop it and shave it. Haters, then they had a straw for my savings. I'm popped down, now they can't face it. Chase it until I just made it. Ooh, ooh. Remember when I couldn't bear food? Now my gal looking all smooth. Lambo chop on the move. Should've rolled out in the coupe. But all of these guys want tech with my life. But all of these gals want F with a 9. In my loot ends, the percentage of crime. Yeah, but man, I was so close to the 9. But all of these guys want tech with my life. But all of these gals want F with a 9. In my loot ends, the percentage of crime. Yeah, but man, I was so close to the 9. Proud of always treat me on my set like Gianfranco Zola. In N9, see me, I'm like Pep Guardiola. Even on street, see me was a soldier. Said he wanna be like me when he's older. All this crud that my knees went weak. When I put on my weight in a rover, you can never be like me. No, made a quarter million last week. Shows, of course I gotta get the right team. Close, why they wanna see me D.I.E. In a wine, far from a beast. Run everybody, run from police. All these brothers all talk in the streets, but they said it involved in the beef. Tom full suit, now I'm feeling all trendy. Remember when the wallet was empty? Money, cop these beats for Eduardo Mendy. Real black brother in Chelsea. No talk, I'll stay I feel more hungry, making a meal. I was so broke, couldn't pay for the bill. Cause I'm going in straight for the kill. But all of these guys want tech in my life. But all of these guys want F with a 9. In my loot ends, the percentage of crime. Yeah, but man, I was so close to the 9. But all of these guys want tech with my life. But all of these guys want F with a 9. In my loot ends, the percentage of crime. Yeah, but man, I was so close to the 9. Old times in the ends, we were just riding on them. I know the judge in the eye, and I just lie for my friend. I listen to these UK rappers, and they just lying again. You liar. On my block, I got big haters, but I got fire for them. When we was young broke fellas, everybody was brothers. It was cool till we made it, then everybody got jealous. They didn't get a dime from the block, whether you like it or not.